welcome back. It's Andrea. I am the crafting junkie, and today we are learning the half double crochet. This is in a series where I start from beginning to end to teach you the different stitches needed for the basic parts of crocheting. With the half double crochet, this is a little taller than a single crochet, and it adds a beautiful texture to the project. I want you to start by chaining 11 stitches for this practice. We're going to make a square. The 11th stitch is just basically your turning chain. So once you have turned your work, so you can work the opposite direction. So I want you to yarn over, insert your hook through the third chain from the hook, yarn over again and pull it through the loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Now yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops at the same time. This is a half double crochet. I want you to continue to do this in each chain across the row. And when you get to the end of the chain, and make sure you're counting 10 of these so that you know when you're at the end of the row. That is always the hardest part to understand. Chain 2 and turn. That is just building height for your next row. And now you're just going to do the same thing by counting back the third chain from the hook. Yarn over, go through the loop, yarn over, pull back through the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. And now you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops and work back the other direction, counting your stitches as you go so that you end up with 10. When you get to 10, you will chain 2 and turn again and do the same thing back and forth, working the rows exactly as the previous row until you make a square. I want you to make sure you practice this stitch until you feel comfortable, and then in the next video we will be doing the double crochet stitch. So if you like the content here and you would like to see more content that I create as I upload it, please consider clicking the notification bell, subscribe and like, of course, if you don't mind. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.